You didn't take my candy.
Babe.
What the hell? Go.
Get away.
You freak.
Go somewhere.
Well, they got a surprise coming.
Good luck, guys.
Wait, are they going back to pick him up? What is this? Why is this car just stopped here?
Hey everybody, welcome back to Don't Blink. Miss you guys. Love that you guys were in our live chat the other night and the night before. Well, a couple nights before. Awesome. Big shout out to every one of you. We love each and every one of you. Tonight we are going to do an intent from Woman of 13 Capes, Blast from the Past. So, gonna put the intent in. What do you want to do the radius? Because I always ask you what the radius is.
3 miles.
3 miles? 3 miles. 3 miles. Blast from the past. Oh, I went a little bit over. Okay. Let's do generate. We're burning it. Blast from the past. Blast from the past. Blast from the past. Okay. Start journey. Directions. We are like 5 minutes away. Our point is that way. And just so everybody knows, it is raining tonight.
Yeah, it's storming. It just lit up a little. We
So-
decided that we're gonna start under an awning right now.
I dropped my umbrella.
We're at the Fisher movie theater.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be haunted too.
Okay, so gotta save the camera, everybody. Here we go. Oh.
Not really the camera, just
Yeah.
our new the big light.
Okay, I'm gonna get you in first because you got the camera. Yeah, see how sweet I is.
Oh, I hear you.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm trying to save the camera. You could get wet.
Oh, you're funny. Oh, why do we have the air on?
Okay, technically, that wasn't no good because I'm the one that got wet. Ha! You're funny. Okay, that air conditioner's got to go.
I just said, why do we have the air on?
No kidding, because guys, let me tell you, it's freezing in here. Okay, gotta get the seatbelt on. Ah!
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Woo!
Wait, there's
It's
a cop right there.
Code. Yep, yep. Yeah, am I okay that way?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Well, I don't know why I'm asking you, because there's a backup camera.
Yep.
Yeah, not really all so good with those. Oh,
Didn't you say we had to go the other way?
yeah, I'm gonna turn around. My bad, sorry. All right,
We can.
I'm gonna turn around.
Well, we can turn right up here.
Oh, yeah.
Go to the same street, can't we?
Yeah.
Oh, there went another cop. What?
They're everywhere tonight. They're looking for you.
Anyways, you might want to turn those wipers on a little more so we can see something.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not. How do I turn your wipers on?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, okay. Got it. Hey, hey, everybody. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm turning. Hey, just bear with me, everybody.
could have just went
Check that out.
straight up
That's
to the
blinking.
street. Yeah.
What is that?
Clock.
Haha.
It's turning different colors.
Cool.
Red, green, and blue.
Okay.
Huh.
Well, it's telling me to go this way. Sorry. Okay. Blast from past. Well, I'm being a little bit more
Well, we've
careful.
been trying to wait out the storm, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna let up, so we're just gonna go out in the middle of it.
For you guys,
Let up a
the
little.
fam.
It let up a little, so
I don't see where it gave up a little.
it's not raining nearly as bad as it was.
Mm-hmm. I hear you. Okay. So, blast from past. Blast from the past. Ooh, we could get another Challenger. Oh. You could have one, I could have one. Okay, I need to turn these up a little bit more.
It's like flooded in spots.
You think? Dun, 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 dun.
Where are we going?
Sorry, guys.
It's not the air, that's the radio.
My bad. Oops.
That's too
So,
funny.
see, guys, I'm really not used to driving this car. I'm used to mine. It's my little doggy car. I take my doggies wherever I go.
Where are we going?
It's telling me to go this way.
Oh, you might want to stay out of that. That'll pull us right off the road.
I got a hold of the wheel. We're good. You didn't find that funny?
No.
I did.
Told you it'll pull you over there.
I know. So,
Oh my goodness.
you don't want light.
No, that light is horrible right now.
You think?
Sorry guys, it's dark. Hey, put your brights on.
Hey. Is that better?
Yeah,
You want to just see lights? Or the signs? My bad, sorry.
It's better than not seeing anything.
Ooh, okay. Blast from the past.
Yeah.
Woman of 13 Ks. You go, girl.
It's a big church over there.
Oh, what?
Big church over there.
Oh, yeah. How about if I just drive down the middle of the road and then we wouldn't have to hyperplane? Is that what you call it?
Hydroplane?
Yeah, that.
Would you call it hyperplane?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright.
Hey. Bear with me, people.
We're
My
planning-
fam loves me no matter what I say. You know?
Alright, you can go ahead and keep telling yourself that. Anyways, we're playing in Illinois tonight.
Yes. And our turn is getting ready to come up here. Turn some lights on.
This is further up.
Nope. It's coming up. Blast from the past. It's telling me to
Oh,
turn.
okay, there's one. Oh, started going over there.
Sorry, it's telling me to turn here. Our point is like right here.
Right where?
Right there.
And right here. Okay, what? Pull in there.
I'm going to. Shut up. Really?
Important.
Can I pull up a little bit more?
Why?
So I got my butt end of the car out of the
Making me
rib.
nervous. Hey, it's not raining that bad.
Okay.
Here's a flashlight. Oh. Thought I dropped something.
Oh, no way. Really? Hold on, I got to turn the flashlight on, everybody.
It's a school.
It's a school. Now, you want to know the fun thing? Hey, don't go too far. It says no trespassing. Look at that.
I mean, I'm not gonna go right up to it.
Yeah, look how that's leaning, babe.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's tore up. There's not even a window in there.
No. You got it? I don't need it. Wow. You know what? This used to be my old school. That used to be the principal's office.
Oh, it brought us to a school.
That is the new part that they put on years ago.
All the windows and stuff are tore out of it. Do you want to go further over there?
No, I don't want to trespass. Because, I mean, look at it. Look at it.
Yeah.
Like, it is...
Let's go look at the other side of it. That's crazy.
That's crazy. Look at that drawing on the window.
Where?
Right there, see it? See where
Oh.
I'm pointing?
Yeah. Like little flames.
Now, if we go past this, we are trespassing.
Oh, that gate.
Yeah.
I mean,
so-
it's just kind of a gate. There's
Yeah.
nothing else to keep you out.
No. Okay, so I would say that this is a blast from past. Wouldn't you?
What?
Blast from the past?
Yeah, I guess.
Well, yeah.
School.
Babe.
Did you have fun?
Go here.
Did you have fun?
That right there used to have a chute that would come down, and it was the fire escape. So if they had fire alarms and stuff go off, you would have to get, that was a classroom, and you would have to go down and slide out and go out by the playground, which was back that way.
Alright.
That's crazy that it took us here.
It was pretty tore up.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay. So
Here.
we are going to do another intent, guys.
Oh, hang on. The next one, Spirit Attached Object by Rhonda Din.
Thanks, Rhonda. We already have one that's attached.
That other flashlight.
It's the flashlight.
That's one of the reasons we got a new flashlight after Hell's Gate.
Yes.
If you watch the Hell's Gate at Night video on our channel, that's when our other flashlight got possessed.
Yes. But
And it hasn't been the same since.
all right, so we're gonna get in and I'm gonna do the intent from the car
Alright.
because I am getting. Okay, you got it. Here, you want to take this?
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, guys.
Back to the dark.
Okay.
Alright. I
Okay.
guess I could put this light on.
Oh.
Still doesn't do much though.
Alright. And the intent was again?
Randonautica spirit attached object.
Spirit attached object generates. Oh boy, here we go. Alright. Start journey.
Was this an elementary school?
Yeah. Yep. It went, I believe, up to,
Should we have the light on? Or
I
off?
think it was the 6th grade when yeah, 6th.
Okay, did you get a point?
Yes. Directions. Start.
Where are we going?
I don't know. All right. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm driving your car. Which way am I going?
Out that way.
That way?
I think it's saying going across. Yeah, it's saying go across there.
Okay. Where?
Straight across.
Okay. Oh. I'm not turning. I'm trying to turn your signals on. Straight across?
Straight across.
Straight across, guys. Okay. And then where?
Over those railroad tracks right there.
So I'm turning left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Alright. And then left again.
Left?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I didn't have a stop sign there, guys, so I didn't.
Oh, you're throwing me everywhere.
All right.
Half a mile.
Now, if it says that it's no trespassing wherever, we don't trespass, guys. No, that's just not good. My glasses are fogging
Yeah,
up.
the window's fogging up too.
Yep. Let's get some light.
There we go. There's some air on it.
Look at the fog.
Up here it says to turn right onto Mallard Point Drive. Right here.
We can't get in there. It's gated.
Yeah.
Well, I've been by here before.
Huh.
Long time ago. And it's,
Oh, there's a camera too watching.
yeah, so,
Okay.
yeah.
Hang on. Oh. Alright, well that was a bust. Hang on. Let's see what this next one is then. Candyman
Candyman.
from Anita Burkett.
That's gonna be lovely.
Isn't it a
isn't it?
killer? It's like a killer movie. Candyman?
It was a movie.
Yeah, it was a killer movie.
Well, I don't want to do that.
Too late. Hang on. Candyman, and go start. Go.
way?
Back up and... Ooh.
Which way?
Oh, I thought those were lights.
Yeah, I did too. So
Take a...
which way am I going?
Back up.
I swear, if I ever take him back up and there's somebody standing behind my car, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna run him over.
This way.
Okay. How far do I gotta go?
It's a few miles.
Ooh, there was an animal. Gotta turn those off. Sorry guys, there's a car coming.
We're gonna go up here, back to them tracks and turn right.
Okay.
Well, that sucks. What was that one? Spirit attached object? Yeah. We didn't need another thing with a spirit attached.
Now.
One thing is enough. Hey, that's a dip. Just so you know.
I dip, you dip, you dip. Dip, dip.
Okay.
Sorry.
Dip, dip.
Well, I think that was like a saying in a song at one point or something. I don't know. Okay, now which way?
Right.
Right. Right, y'all.
We're going back out to this road again.
Oh my god, it's like, okay. Vroom, vroom. Now which way? Ooh.
Go across.
Not yet. That's a big boy.
Doing these brakes.
Hey, I can't help it.
Then turn left.
Turn left. Well, we were just right here, weren't we?
Yeah. Is that light blinking?
What the hell?
It was blinking.
Well,
I don't know.
it's like it's taking us in circles or something.
That floodlight back there was blinking.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, you might want to be careful on this road.
Yeah, no kidding. Sorry if the camera's a little bouncy. The cameraman, you know.
She wants to take roads that are roller coasters.
Excuse me now.
Turn your wipers up a little. It's starting to rain.
I did.
Heavier.
What's going on up here?
Somebody's turning.
Well, it looked like they were just a blinking. You know, with their hazard lights on. There for a second.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. Candyman.
You can turn your brights on. There
Thank you.
go. Good job.
Good job.
Way to go.
You go, girl. Okay. Wasn't he like with a hook or something on his hand or something? I don't know.
I think so on the movie.
It's been like forever, because now that you mention it, I got to thinking, and do I go straight?
Yeah.
Okay. There for a minute I was thinking of like,
I don't know where it's taking us.
I don't know really what I was thinking of, but Candyman was a big dude, wasn't he?
I don't know.
I think he was. I don't trench coat or something on?
I think.
If that's what you call it, I don't know. You know, they don't make movies like they used to, though. Think about it.
I didn't think that movie was very good anyways. I don't know, I don't really get into scary movies. They're very predictable.
Well, back in the day, they had like, what was it, Sammy Terry? Woohoo! That was awesome. I'm gonna turn that off so I don't shine these in people's lights or in their windows. Sorry. Why do I always say lights?
All right, turn left here.
Turn left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dead end.
All right.
It's kind of weird. There were 2 dead ends at once. Well, another dead end.
We're like in a neighborhood. Did you see that big limb down? That was a big old limb down. Do I keep going straight?
Yeah.
Okay, because you didn't tell me to turn or anything. Just check it.
Supposed to go around and turn left here. I'll just go around the curve. Stops right there.
Okie dokie. Ooh, is the bridge. How you doing? Sorry, I'm over here just, you know.
Straight. I guess you couldn't turn right there anyways. Another dead end. Turn right here. This is taking us back down to the
Again?
park that we started at in one of the videos. Whoa.
I think that was, what was that?
Learn how to use the brakes.
I did, I broke.
Yeah, I noticed like 5 times at the same stop.
You want to see if we can ramp these? Hello?
I'm not answering you.
No? Man, that's no fun. Oh, we get to go back down on these speed bumps.
Yep.
Hey guys and gals. The speed bumps are back.
Goodness.
Ooh, deer.
Yeah.
There's a deer.
Even these
Deer
brakes.
baby. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3.
Hi, dear.
Oh, she's there with her babies.
Yeah. Okay.
Please don't jump out.
Keep going. Keep
I'm
going.
going
I think it's peeing. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. It's peeing. He's peeing. He can't go. Now he
I
went.
was going slow so I don't freak him out.
Oh, you freaked him out because he was trying to pee.
Well, he peed.
He didn't want you watching him.
He was scared he had to pee.
You're sitting there stopping to watch a deer pee.
I was looking at the deer.
Pee.
I was actually looking at the deer. I wasn't watching it pee.
The deer was peeing.
Listen, everybody, my husband's over here like,
She's a weirdo that watches deer pee.
no. Hey, I never claimed to be right, but hey. I was looking at the beautiful deer.
Peeing.
Okay, it took us down here that one time for the Trail of Death or something, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because there's the,
Yeah, we've started down here before.
yeah, it's the, walking bridge thingy.
Speed bump.
Boom. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
Trail of Death right there.
Yeah, that bridge.
Okay. Here's your creepiness for you. Dun dun dun. Sorry. That's what our daughter wears.
Hey, Bridgie. bridge.
Okay, which way?
I don't know. Our point's like way over there.
So, which way do I go?
At the other end of this field, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
It's on the other side of this field, down there.
Hey, there's a puddle. We can see if we can really get the car dirty. I'm just kidding. No. Hello? Okay, guys, he's still not answering me.
Nope.
Well, you know, you got the phone.
It's over there.
So I don't know where the point
I
is.
said it's on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? Wait.
What is that?
Go pull up to that.
There's more than one. What is that?
What? What do you mean more than one?
It's like a thing out there. Am I up there? Or did I scoot up?
No. It's like an LED strip. What do you mean there's more than one?
It looked like it was going out. Excuse me, but how is an LD thing strip supposed to be working if it's not plugged in?
Because it's got a battery pack here.
Hello? No?
It stopped. Okay.
No, it didn't. There's the lights again.
Oh. Well, it stopped for a minute.
Because when you said, hey, and I said, what's that? It was like, it looked like it was going out. I'm going to back up. Shut your door. Now watch. Where'd you see it?
That is kind of
Okay,
it's right there.
see where it's blinking?
Yeah.
Now, see how it's going out?
Yeah, I guess.
See how it's going out that way?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I
Roll your
don't
window
know.
down.
I did.
So they make those battery packed?
Yeah, evidently.
Well, how? Why is it here?
I can't say what I want to because everybody is always like, he always says that.
Yeah, don't say I don't know.
Well, I mean, I'm not magic. I don't know these things.
But I mean, seriously, think about it though. You ask yourself, you know, why? And then you
Yeah.
say, I don't know. I mean, when you're out here and you're doing this kind of stuff, it's like you have the same question, the same answers. And it's like, because you really don't know.
Right.
So it's like, what do you do? What do you say?
Right.
Why is there tire marks down in there?
I don't know.
But really, that's crazy.
Yeah, there goes my seatbelt.
Okay.
I'm trying to turn my lights on here. It says it's back there.
Oh.
Let's go ahead and pull up here. Get not in the big puddle there.
Here?
Yeah, right here is fine.
Well, back where? What's that
Back there.
blinking?
What? What's what?
It looks like it's blinking up there.
Where? Yeah.
It looked like it was blinking off the side of the...
I don't see anything else blinking.
Oh, it's not really raining that bad right now.
No.
I swear, it was just blinking.
Did you grab the flashlight?
No.
Sorry guys, that's just weird. Just got LED lights blinking in a field.
I said it's my fault.
Oh no, I said it's just weird, the LED lights.
I don't think I... Should I take the umbrella? It's not really raining that bad, is it?
Man, I don't
Yeah.
know, but it can start again. This keeps settling down, then it'll start going again. Got the, okay, you got it.
Hello!
Mary Poppins. Alright. Okay, get the flashlight out of the camera.
Look how big that tree is. Looks like a big old mushroom.
Yeah.
Do. Candyman.
Yeah, this is up here.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy, isn't it?
Yeah. Why don't you look out in that field and stuff?
I am. Well, stop walking for a minute. So, that's a big tree.
What about over here? I just want to make sure. I just saw them lights, so. And they're going off right now, you know? Huh.
Here, it's starting to...
Yeah. Starting to rain again.
Okay, so... Where's it at?
There's a sidewalk. It says right up here.
Okay.
A little on the dock thing.
Woo! That's a little slick. What's that?
I don't know. Look at these shells. Okay.
Oh, they're a little bit everywhere. Here, put that over you.
Here.
You got
Every
it?
time you put your flashlight on
I'm
something,
sorry.
it blinds the camera where
I'm
it
sorry.
can't see.
Wow.
There's a can there.
A what?
Can. Ha ha ha, you're funny. Where's he at?
Babe, nuh-uh, really?
Where is he at?
That's got,
Where you at? Oh, bastard.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Oh, that's real funny.
Thanks for making a difference. I'm in mud. Look.
Oh. Oh, yeah, that's lovely.
Oh. Man. What the hell is that?
Oh, yeah, that's wet, too. I don't know how long it's been there. It's soaked. And there's candy in it.
He can keep his own fucking candy.
It's real funny. Well, where the hell is he at?
I don't know. I'm trying to get mud off my shoes. Oh! I just did it again.
Would you stop walking through it?
Why is there a butter knife here?
Huh?
There's a butter knife. Right there.
I have no idea.
I
what
felt
are you
that
freaking out about?
I felt that up.
Jeez.
Oh. What is that?
What? Somebody's socks. So what? Sounds like somebody. Well, doesn't sound like somebody's down there in the water. It sounds like something's in the water. A bunch of shells again. Huh.
Hey, look, the water's just running. Look.
I don't know.
What is that?
What? Sunscreen. On a rod?
Why is there a rose there? And where is he?
There's tires over there. Somebody's got, are those tires? Yeah. There's a bunch of tires over there. What is that? That metal thing?
Where? There?
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
It's where they mine for gold. I don't know.
They're not finding any gold
Oh,
in
look,
this
guys,
place.
I said I don't know.
Look how low this water is.
Why is that?
The boat ramp stops right there. What the?
Nuh-uh. Uh-uh.
What, a call?
Oh my God!
You little bastard.
You didn't take my candy.
Babe,
What the hell? Go!
get away.
You freak.
Go somewhere. I don't want your
What the hell are
candy.
you doing? Get.
My signature.
It's
Oh
your
my
what?
God.
You can keep your signature.
You freak. Hey,
Nope.
I already threw your walkie-talkie away. Good luck with that.
You can keep your walkie-talkie.
I'll scratch you.
Okay.
You can try.
No, babe.
Better get away. I'm about to go back there.
You got the car locked?
No.
Hurry up.
I'm gonna end up hurting this person. Go on. You gotta be kidding me.
No. Oh my God. Get the light. I can't see.
Back up, go. What the hell is wrong with this person? Just go. They get in front of you, run them over.
No.
Where's the other one? Because he's never been that brave.
Don't even friggin' seatbelt.
Where's the other guy?
I don't know. I'm looking.
Because that one's not that brave. At all. They've never came up to us like that. Why are you stopping?
I'm
right
looking.
now? In the rear view. We're way past them.
I don't know.
Or him.
Here, use the flashlight out there. I don't see the other person.
Yeah, neither. I didn't see him down there. Where did he even come from?
I don't know.
We walked all around that.
We were just on that dock.
We walked all around that.
I don't know. That's way messed up. Why am I going slow?
Oh, there's smells.
We got somebody coming.
I'm gonna shine this flashlight out the window with somebody coming. Well, they got a surprise coming.
Good luck, guys.
Wait, are they going back to pick him up? You know what? Go back.
What do you mean, go back?
Never mind.
All right.
I want to see if they were picking. Never mind. Don't.
Okay, let's just stop this.
We're not gonna get in. Yeah.
I'm gonna go up here. We're gonna stop it. And I'm sorry about the seatbelts, guys.
No, I kind of want to know if they're picking them up, but I don't.
Well, I'm gonna turn right in here. But no, I don't. Do you want me to go ahead and go?
That just might be a bad idea.
Do you want me to go?
Yeah. I don't think it's a very good idea. Because if that other guy, that's that other guy.
Where do they keep coming from?
I don't know. We went all around that and looked everywhere. What is this? Why is this car just stopped here?
I don't know.
Nope.
What the hell?
Yeah, we're just gonna stop this, guys.
Yeah. Like it, subscribe. We'll give you an update.
We're gonna get out of here.
Yeah, we're done.
Thanks.
Love you guys.
Bye.